Welcome to Advisicon's Power BI custom solution for QuickBooks Desktop, where with the QuickBooks connector, you can get insights into your QuickBooks data to show employee and company hour breakdowns on billable, non-billable, and overall performance. The solution is broken down into 5 pages: an overall company dashboard, a breakdown of employee hours, a breakdown of employee billable hours, and 2 employee drill through pages to show detailed hours for an employee, and a dashboard to show an employee's breakdown of hours over time. So let's get started. The first page we're going to focus on is the company dashboard, where we can see employee total hours for all the company broken down by billable, non-billable, into different parts. The first section on the top left is our billable hours in a 6-month trend. Here we can see the peaks and valleys per week that are given by employees. This also gives us a target line that we're focusing on to make sure that our billable hours are above. The next section on the top right is our billable time by employee department and by class. This shows how the departments are billing their time. So we see that 18.56% of billable time year to date was given by services, or 17% by products. And then we also can separate that into our classes. So we can see that the corporate class is given 43.6% of time billable. In the lower left, we have our 6-month trend of hours by class separated weekly. Lastly, on the lower right, we have year-to-date non-billable time by each job. The next dashboard gives the overall hours of each employee separated into different parts. The first section separates each employee into their department. This shows each employee and the percentage of hours they gave each week over a 5-week period. The next section separates how many percentage hours each employee gave to a certain class. The next dashboard we're going to look at is the employee hours billable time. This operates the same way as the overall hours dashboard, but instead only gives the billable hours for each employee. From this page or the overall hours page, I can actually drill through on an employee. I can select an employee, right-click, go drill through employee hour details, and here I get to see the details over the last however many weeks I choose and which classes or departments that Scott Bishop has worked on. From here I can select different weeks or even select multiple weeks as this goes. I can select even a different range of weeks from the slicer. I can also go back, select the employee again, and go to dashboard, where I can see details on Richard Evans' work over the past 6 months or even the year to date. In the top left, I can see his trends, his billable work, the peaks and valleys, and how he is comparing to his target data, how he did this last week, the current month, or how he's currently doing year to date. I can see where he's putting his work and classes over the last 6 months every week. I can also look at his non-billable time by the jobs he's doing, or his year-to-date billable time by each class. This concludes Advisicon's Power BI custom solution for QuickBooks Desktop. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and have a great day.